Everybody, welcome to Tech Insider Update.
All right.
We'll talk about Power Virtual Agent.
So circa middle of 2019, Microsoft rolled out Power Virtual Agents as the newest feature or member of the Power Platform. When they did that, the world changed. What's really cool about the Power Platform or about Power Virtual Agents? They allow you the ability to create and manage super powerful chatbots without the need for code or AI expertise. You can largely, with this graphical interface, create the conversation thread that your customer may have with the virtual agent, and take the load off of your internal humans to do things that they don't necessarily need to do or that are super repetitive or understandably pass-alongable. That's a terrible word, but that you can pass along to a robot or chatbot to do. Built into Power Virtual Agents is the ability to take action on things using Power Automate. So if you can do anything in Power Automate or Logic apps, you can put it into Power Virtual Agents to execute those steps as part of your conversation. The reason that it's so timely that Eric handed this to me to talk about Power Virtual Agents is that if your client starts having the conversation with the virtual agent online and the client's like, hey, I just need to talk to a human, or the bot realizes I don't have the answers to your question, it most elegantly hands it off to the omnichannel hub for communication back with another human. So that's pretty sweet. Two quick features here to talk about, I guess three. Power Virtual Agent comes to Teams. So you can now build a chatbot right inside of Teams. There's a Power Virtual Agent app. Sounds out like there's an app for that. This is the new mantra for Teams, but Power Virtual Agents made their way into Teams. And so you can have conversations with the chatbot and or build a chatbot right there inside of Teams. The next one, Power Virtual Agent Composer, the Boty Framework Composer is now integrated with Power Virtual Agents. So if you have somebody who's on the techie side and is good at coding up a Boty Framework conversation in the Boty Framework Composer, you can now use that as part of your experience with Power Virtual Agents. Next and the last for Power Virtual Agents is that it's now included in the Center of Excellence Starter Kit, so you can see who's using it, what kind of conversations are occurring, and get a better view of what's happening around the PVA in your tenant. So that is Power Virtual Agents.